For years, airlines were seen as symbols of growth, tourism, and consumer confidence. But now, airline bankruptcies are becoming one of the strongest warning signs that the American economy may be entering a dangerous phase. Rising fuel prices are margins crushing profit while travelers are starting to cut unnecessary spending. Budget airlines are getting hit the hardest because their entire business model depends on keeping prices low while operating on razor-thin margins. Once fuel, labor, and maintenance costs increase at the same time, the math stops working. Investors are suddenly paying attention because airline failures often happen before larger economic slowdowns spread across the market. When airlines struggle, it usually means consumers are becoming financially stressed and businesses are reducing travel expenses. Even worse, many airlines expanded aggressively after the pandemic recovery and borrowed billions, expecting nonstop growth. Now those debts are becoming impossible to manage in a slower economy. Some analysts believe this could become a domino effect, where one collapse increases pressure on weaker competitors. That fear is exactly why searches related to airline bankruptcies are exploding online right now. People are realizing this story is not only about planes. It is about the future direction of the economy itself and what could happen next for American consumers and investors everywhere. What makes the situation even more important is how connected airlines are to the entire financial system. When an airline collapses, thousands of workers can lose jobs almost instantly. Airports lose revenue, tourism slows down, and investors panic about which company could fail next. That creates fear across the stock market because transportation businesses are considered major indicators of economic health. Right now, many Americans are already struggling with inflation, high interest rates, and expensive living costs. Airlines are simply one of the first industries showing visible cracks under the pressure. Some companies try to survive by raising ticket prices, but consumers are becoming more selective with spending. Others attempted mergers, or restructuring deals that failed to save them. Analysts are now debating whether this is only the beginning of a larger financial shakeup in the travel industry. History shows that airline bankruptcies often increase during periods of economic uncertainty because airlines rely heavily on stable consumer demand and affordable operating costs. Once those conditions disappear, even large companies can collapse faster than expected. That is why smart investors are watching this trend carefully instead of ignoring it as just another business headline. Airline bankruptcies may look like an industry problem on the surface, but they could actually be revealing much deeper weaknesses inside the American economy that millions of people have not fully noticed yet.